Hey there, everyone. It's great to have you back here at Wealthy Coin, where you can get all your cryptocurrency fix. Good day, everyone. I am Ripple Van Winkle, and I hope you are all having a fantastic day. Today is Tuesday, the 20th of February. That monthly close, the one that matters the most, is almost here. I'm going to tell you right now, I'm going to name it. The necessary closeness will be achieved. On this occasion, we will experience the pinnacle of bull cycles, bull runs. Be sure to jot it down. It is clear to you how to utilize it. Put it on the old refrigerator, everyone. This episode, we will discuss. In the race against Senator Elizabeth Warren, we have John Dean. Brad Garlinghouse will be speaking to us regarding an XRP ETF. Do you wish to discuss the topic of institutional demand and money? Obtain an exchange-traded fund for me. What Bitcoin is accomplishing is visible to us. The buying pressure is through the roof, and it's all going to pour into the larger cryptocurrency markets, so we're going to discuss VanEck's actions today. After that, we will provide a brief update on HBAR. It has been a while since I last brought up HBAR. You are aware that I have a lot of HBAR in my baggage. They are and always have been discussed on the Patreon community. I discuss it in any and all places I can, and anyone else who wants to hear me out, because HBAR is looking fantastic and is gearing up for a huge run. All right, then let's get right down to business. As for Bitcoin, its value has increased by 0.38% throughout the entire last day. The total cost is $52,160. Ethereum is following closely behind, gaining 1.52%. I apologize, priced at $2,994 all in, with both USDT and USDC arriving at 99 cents. Now that funds have departed from those stable coins and entered the cryptocurrency markets, they should be exactly where we want them to be. Today, they're down a bit from when XRP hit. A minor heart attack was experienced by a few, my friend. I hope you're still alive and well, totaling up to $0.56. I wouldn't be surprised if it touched $0.57 during the concert, so it's almost there. It has gained 0.35% over the last day. Still, the total market cap of cryptocurrencies is more over $2 trillion. Keep in mind, and I will continue to emphasize this point, everyone, at the end of the month, Bitcoin's market cap surpassed $48,500, while the overall market cap of cryptocurrencies surpassed $2 trillion. To me, those have always been the telltale signs that the bull run is about to begin, so I can tell you exactly where it is going to start. We are counting down the days till the 29th of February, which is rapidly approaching, just over a week away, so the anticipation is building. This is going to be so exciting. Immediately prior to filming this video, I was in the midst of a pitch. My pitch was what? Lux Lions, my current project, since I have a career-defining call coming down next Tuesday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We have already scheduled a Google Meet. Approximately 100 individual investors from the Web3 community will be keeping an eye on Lux Lions. Significant changes are on the horizon, as I mentioned before. Former Cool Cats CTO is already on board with us, the Cool Cats from the Macy's Day Parade who were assisting me? Yeah, that's right. A slew of potential investors are now being introduced to Lux in an effort to pique their interest. I warned you that things are looking up. I warned you it was massive news. Last month we made the announcement. I mentioned earlier that I have a surprise plan that will be released in the near future. Next week, though, we have the pitch. We will be lowering the pitch next week, particularly for Lux Lions holders who had faith in our initiative since its inception. This has the potential to improve everyone's lives. Credit cards are accepted. We take XRP. It's as easy as that. $165,000. Meanwhile, you'll be able to earn XRP back on a monthly basis. Guess what? Every single NFT purchase this month, you are eligible to get XRP during the March 1st airdrop. If you are still holding for the April, May, June, and July airdrops, you will be eligible. I agree with that. You acquire, you retain, you will receive cryptocurrency from us on a monthly basis. This isn't bad, is it? Allow me to present this to you. Yes, John Deaton, the word is out. A fresh Twitter account of his is now up. A handle for Deaton's Senate campaign. Run? He says. Ahead we go. I will go ahead and access his tweet. For what reason not? It is with great enthusiasm that I accept this chance to serve as a senator from Massachusetts and to advocate for the people of that state. Get behind his cause. Perfect for Deaton. Enjoy seeing this. Kudos to this man for taking action and seeking to create a difference. Lady Warren, you must depart. This U.S. Senate position needs a man of John Deaton's caliber. Give it to Chad. Hello, my name is Brad Garlinghouse. Another longer clip existed. It is not with me. Just one more minute. My apologies. Yes, I do. Everyone, how about a BlackRock XRP ETF? Do you want one? Why? Because according to Brad Garlinghouse, he is sure to be welcome. Add an XRP ETF to your deck. Everyone, XRP is on the fast track to become an ETF. Put it in your mind. Is already well defined in US regulations. An XRP ETF is the natural next, as it would allow access to institutional capital. A supply shock will occur when access to institutional capital is opened. In the event of a supply shock, what will transpire? There will be a price increase. As a result of the current supply shock, individuals are being required to stake 5% of the cryptocurrency they own. I've shown you the relevant tweets. Take Brad's advice. Excuse me a moment. Since it is emanating from my secondary screen, we will have to switch up our playback device. This must be relocated. I expect it to be emanating from my headphones. Please, just a moment. So that everyone can hear, I'll switch up my speaker. So long as I can improvise. Right now I'm feeling a lot of pressure. No one is ignoring you. Channel for the final product. Yeah, I see. The microphone is in. Microsoft NVIDIA. Here's an alternative. Please allow me to quickly return to my desktop. Please allow me to show you the configuration. Find out. Topping the list is that. We can disable a little. Can you tell me where I can find my deactivate buttons? Can you tell me where I can find my deactivate buttons? Excuse me a moment. It has eluded us. This is terrible. Cut off all connectivity. Oh my, wait for it to flash for a second. It is done. Allow me to retain the revisions. It's time to detonate this again. Suddenly it happened. Check it out. Here we will perform miracles. Introducing Brad and Kim Lewis. So an XRP ETF would be something you'd be open to? Definitely, we'd be happy to accept it. I also believe that many tokens will inevitably have their own exchange-traded funds. Additionally, I believe that you may see exchange-traded funds ETFs around bundles to further spread out that risk. Is the ETF dynamic, which has everyone talking, currently in discussions with the major issuers, especially BlackRock, to make this happen? To be honest, I won't remark on that. I am aware that BlackRock has made public statements. For the XRP community as a whole, we believe it makes perfect sense. Among the many participants in the XRP ecosystem, Ripple stands out as a major actor. In addition, XRP ranked as the second most valued cryptocurrency asset prior to the SEC case. We have now witnessed it substantially diminish as a result of the headwinds caused by that case. However, looking at these things from a longer perspective, the question becomes, how can these many digital assets be used to create value and solve real-world problems? That's exactly what Bitcoin is doing, storing value. Because of its low transaction fees, high efficiency, and lightning-fast processing times, XRP is perfect for use as a payment. That is the area where Ripple has put its faith as a business. For payments, it is perfect. Plus, at this point, it's just relevant to that XRP ETF, isn't it? Has clear regulations in place. The transparency of exchange-traded funds ETFs is a major selling point for financial institutions who naturally want to know precisely where their money and their clients' money is going. I have it here. The extended version is this. Frankly, right now we can probably pick this up, Mark. This way we can do it. To me, it seems more like banking regulations. Has this caused a great deal of consternation among those working in the cryptocurrency industry? Is this something that you're attempting to overcome? Do not. Quite the opposite, in fact. I think Elizabeth Warren is mistaken. Know your customer KYC is a requirement for Coinbase accounts. Providing your licenses and going through a verification process are both necessary. That verification is also done by them. To reiterate, the great majority of crypto sector participants are law-abiding citizens who wish to do business the right way.